Bellus Medical proudly introduces the SkinPen Skin Fuse System. As we grow older, the architecture of our skin naturally deteriorates, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. SkinPen uses the body's natural wound healing response to give skin a more youthful, healthy glow. Skin Fuse is designed to maximize the results from the SkinPen procedure, delivering thousands of isolated micro-injuries. As part of the Skin Fuse protocol, it is crucial to apply Rescue Calming Complex in the first hours following procedure. This hydrating gel uses colloidal oatmeal, niacinamide, and vitamin E to form a natural, breathable, protective barrier that helps minimize inflammation and soothes irritated skin. In response to the procedure, the body initiates its wound healing process. The body then immediately begins to break down damaged tissue and release cell signaling molecules. Production of healthy cells increases. These cells begin to repair and remodel the injured tissue, producing organized, healthy dermal tissue proteins such as collagen and elastin. Reclaim Hydrating Support is designed to support the skin during the wound healing process. This revolutionary bioactive moisturizer delivers essential nutrients and helps to keep your skin hydrated as it heals. Over time, your skin works to remodel the treated area with new tissue and blood vessels, thickening the epidermis and giving the skin a lifted shrink wrap effect. Surge 1 maintenance therapy helps to enhance this effect. It contains vitamin A, which is known to assist in building healthy skin, and vitamin C, which is essential for the body's production of extracellular matrix proteins like collagen and elastin. Overall, this procedure helps to improve the appearance of skin, restoring a youthful, healthy glow with little to no downtime. For more information, ask your doctor how the SkinPen Skin Fuse system can benefit you.